Hey everybody, this is Jared from Guns and Gadgets at 2026 versions of GunCon here in Niles, Ohio. Everybody's coming out, the line is still around the building, and you're not here. You missed out on a good one. Don't miss it next year.
What's up, guys? I say we are at GunCon this year in Ohio, of all places. I didn't think I was going to be in Ohio, but I'm here. Look at all the people. Look at all the people. There's tons of people. I'm scared, sir. There's redcoats probably hiding in the crowd, and I do not know what to do. I need to get armed quickly. There's so many musket sales going on here. It's crazy.
And I was welcomed with open arms in Wyoming. The fact that I was a woman had no issue whatsoever with anybody. So just kind of understand that. People aren't necessarily mean when they're like, oh, pretty little lady. That's just their affection, they'd say to you. Hey everyone, I'm Ashley. I'm a firearms historian and I'm here at GunCon 2026. This is probably my favorite show of all year because this is a show where you can come in, get up close and personal with gun makers, people from the industry, content creators. It's just so like down to earth. You know, you go to so many of the big shows and you feel it like you're so far removed from people. And so here you can actually come up, talk to somebody and ask as many questions as you want. So I love being here every year. I'm super grateful to John for always inviting me so I can talk about content creation and how history is not just in the past.
People who have a shade of melanin like yours and like mine, the Second Amendment is also for them.
What's going on, y'all? This is KD over here at GunCon 2026. You should have absolutely been here, all right? We're having a good time. Everybody is lively. Camera guy, spin it around real quick. See, and we're just getting started. Now, what I'm gonna say is if you missed it, you're missing the opportunity to meet some of the best vendors, some of the best creators, just some of the best people in general. You should be at GunCon. Don't miss it. It's more than the widgets and the wadgets. It's about the community and how we come together and build better and be better. Speaking of better, I'm gonna get a biscuit. I need a biscuit to make me better. I will see you guys in the next one. Go, leave. At the camera.
Versa, they're kicking ass.
The larger optic.
Kenny?
Hi, I'm Ken McGee.
Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Harrison with Double Tap Coalition, man. Out here at GunCon 2026. Man, if you ain't already got my book, Firearms for Beginners 101, you need to get it, because you're already behind. The second time you're behind it is because you're not here at GunCon 2026, man. A lot of beautiful brands, beautiful people, good times, fun times, man. You should be here and not left behind. It's your boy Harrison with Double Tap Coalition, and I'm out, man. Cut the camera, dog.
Give a shout out to GunCon for giving me a place to practice my loads. Thank you, XTech.
Hey guys, Luke's here with TFB TV Showtime. I'm here at GunCon 2026 to talk to all of the cool people behind the cool products that you guys are going to see here. If you haven't been to GunCon, you are missing out on probably one of the best gun shows of the year. This is a rare opportunity for customers to interface with manufacturers, ask them all the weird questions that you want, and honestly, like to shoot some of the guns if you come to range day. So come to GunCon next year in 2027.